Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear brothers and sisters, hope that you all are doing great. I'm also doing great by the mercy of Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah. Today is the last Friday of the Ramadan and it is the last Ramadan of the year. In Arabic, it is called Jumatul Wida. Uh, Actually, it is a very special and emotional day for every Muslim around the world. Jumatul Wida reminds us that a blessed month of Ramadan is about to leave us. A month full of mercy, forgiveness, and countless blessings. In this holy month, actually, we fasted, we prayed, we tried to become better Muslim. But now Ramadan is saying goodbye. On this last day of Ramadan, uh, let's ask ourselves: Have we truly changed? Have we become closer to Almighty Allah? This is the best time to seek forgiveness from Allah. Say from your heart, "Oh Allah, forgive our all sins and accept our worship." Let's make sincere dua. Oh Allah, please allow us to witness Ramadan again next year. Amin. Assalamu alaikum.